In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Moomoo Chart. By the end, you'll feel comfortable understanding what you're seeing on the screen and how to use it to make more informed trading decisions. Let's start with the most common chart you'll use, the candlestick chart. Each candle represents a specific time period and shows 4 key prices: where the price opened, the highest point it reached, the lowest point it touched, and where it closed. When the candle is green or white, it means the price closed higher than it opened, which signals bullish momentum. When it's red or black, it closed lower than it opened, suggesting bearish pressure. Think of candlesticks as a quick visual summary of buying and selling pressure over time. Next, pay attention to time frames. You can switch between 1-minute, 5-minute, daily, or weekly views. Shorter time frames reveal fast intraday movement and can include a lot of noise. Longer time frames smooth that out and highlight the broader trend. A practical approach is to look at more than one time frame, so you see both the immediate action and the bigger picture, which helps reduce the urge to chase trades. Below the price chart, you'll see volume bars. Volume tells you how many shares were traded in each period. Big moves on high volume often indicate strong conviction from buyers or sellers. Conversely, low volume can suggest weaker momentum or less interest. When you combine price action with volume, your read of the market becomes more reliable. To interpret the chart, start by assessing the trend. Are prices making higher highs and higher lows? That's an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows indicate a downtrend. You can draw trend lines to visualize direction and to find support and resistance. Support is a level where buyers historically step in, and price tends to bounce. Resistance is where sellers push price down. Watching how price behaves at these levels can guide your timing. You can also add technical indicators in Moomoo to confirm what you're seeing. Moving averages help smooth price and show trend direction. Bollinger Bands frame volatility. RSI and MACD can signal whether conditions are overbought, oversold, or trending strongly. To add indicators, tap the chart, open the dashboard or indicators panel, and select what you want to display. Finally, explore Moomoo's practical chart tools. You can switch chart types between candlestick, line, or ticks. Add markings and drawings like trend lines, support, and resistance. View volume and money flow data, and overlay chart patterns and technical sentiment. Keep your chart clean, focus on the essentials, and use multiple perspectives to build confidence in your decisions.